इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. Wishing you all a very happy new year. During the Christmas holidays, I visited my hometown Delhi with my son to meet my family and friends. I had an amazing time there and spent a memorable new year with my loved ones. Since it's winter season in North India during this time, I had to plan my packing accordingly. In today's video, I will be sharing how I organize my travel packing to make my journey hassle-free. Along with that, I will also share some very useful packing and travel hacks that might be helpful for you. So, let's get started. First, I've spread an old bedsheet over the bed and placed my travel suitcase on top of it. I use the old bedsheet to ensure the regular bedsheet does not get dirty. I store my most used travel cubes, shoe bags and toiletry pouches inside the suitcase I use most frequently, making packing easier. I also keep some extra pouches which are stored in a dedicated cabinet. Whenever I pack, I gather all the items in one place first. For example, I start by deciding how many pairs of clothes to take, count them and set them aside. Since we are packing winter clothes also this time, I've sorted and placed those here. For your convenience, I have created a packing checklist that you can download from the link in the description box. Similarly, I have set aside shoes for both myself and my son. For packing shoes, I love using these shoe packing bags. They're spacious and waterproof, which makes them very convenient. I prefer packing undergarments and socks for all my family members separately to avoid any mix-ups during travel and ensure easy access. For this, I have been using these packing cubes for years. I have prepared separate packing cubes for my son and myself. Since there was some space left in one cube, I also stored winter caps in it. Winter clothes like sweaters and jackets tend to be a bit bulky, so folding them properly is essential. For sweaters, I fold them normally first and then tuck the neck area into the bottom part. This method keeps the fold neat and helps save space. Similarly, for fluffy winter jackets, fold them by tucking the sleeves inward and then folding the top part into the bottom part. Now let's pack the remaining items. Those unused sunglasses cases or pouches can be extremely handy for packing. I use them to store jewelry, fancy delicate clips, etc. Since they are cushioned, it is easy to carry delicate items in them safely. To pack my makeup, I use a dedicated makeup pouch. I keep all my makeup items organized in my dressing table, which makes it easy to see everything at a glance. I pick out the items I need to carry and place them one by one into the pouch. For hair accessories, I follow the same process, storing them in a separate pouch. The importance of being organized becomes even more evident in such situations. If you're in a hurry and can find everything easily, it saves you so much time and effort. Similarly, I have also sorted out all the toiletries and skincare essentials I need for travel. Since the bottles of my day cream and night serum are large and made of glass, I have transferred small quantities into separate empty travel size bottles. You can do the same for shampoo and oil by pouring a small amount into smaller bottles. Alternatively, travel size bottles are also easily available in the market. To prevent these bottles from leaking during travel, you can seal their caps with a balloon. Simply cut the balloon in a way that it covers the cap securely, ensuring a leak-proof seal. The plastic zipper bags that often come with online shopping can be very useful for travel. You can use these to pack toiletries and makeup items. In case of any accidental leakage, these bags prevent the rest of the luggage from getting spoiled. You can carry them as they are or put them in a separate pouch for extra protection. For toothbrushes and toothpaste, a toothbrush holder like this is very convenient. It can also double as a stand when placed near a wash basin. It is always a good idea to carry some essential medicines while traveling, especially when traveling with kids. I use this first aid zipper bag for travel. It includes separate medicines for both adults and children, such as those for fever, cold, tummy ache, diarrhea, antacids, ORS, band-aids, muscle pain spray, and mosquito repellent. For carrying hairstyling tools, dedicated bags like these are very handy. If you don't have one or it got damaged, you can use an oven mitten as a substitute. It works just as well to store and protect hot tools like hair straightener or curling iron. Now let's organize everything in the luggage. I prefer folding clothes in a book fold style and arranging them in a file system. This keeps the clothes wrinkle-free and makes it easier to see all options, simplifying the process of choosing outfit. I have placed my son's clothes on one side of the luggage and mine on the other. Once all the clothes are in place, I will add the remaining pouches and bags one by one. To separate dirty clothes from the clean ones, I always pack 2 old pillow covers in the luggage. You can also use plastic or cloth shopping bags for this purpose. Thin cotton towels like these are very helpful for travel as they dry quickly and take up less space. And with that, our luggage packing is complete. While traveling, I prefer carrying a sling bag like this one. It is spacious and has 2 compartments, making it very practical. Certain essential items should always be in your handbag while traveling. I keep all my chargers, AirPods, earphones, etc. in a single zipper pouch. This prevents them from getting scattered in the bag and makes it easier during security checks. Just take out the pouch and keep it in the tray instead of individual items. During the security check, I also keep my phones in this bag for convenience. I carry a small amount of makeup in a separate pouch within my handbag. Additionally, wet wipes, paper napkins and hand sanitizer are must-haves. And if I'm traveling by road, I carry a small bottle of hand soap in case it's needed along the way. I also keep a pen handy and carry an empty packet of wet wipes to use as a trash bag during the journey. Lastly, I always store my ID cards in an easily accessible pocket to avoid hassles during security checks. This organized sling bag setup ensures that all essential items are readily available while keeping the journey smooth and hassle-free. We also carry a backpack that contains some food items and one jacket for each of us, as I tend to feel quite cold on planes. I won't go into details about what to pack in the backpack as travel requirements vary for everyone, and it also depends on your children's age. Organized packing with thoughtful consideration makes traveling much easier. When items are easily accessible and well segregated, travel becomes stress-free. This approach also makes it much easier to repack your luggage and unpack at home after a vacation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more videos like this. I will see you all next week. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye-bye.